Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to use Eyedropper tool in PowerPoint. Why would you want to know how to use Eyedropper tool in PowerPoint? Well, maybe you are new to PowerPoint. So today I am going to show you how to use Eyedropper tool in PowerPoint. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Okay, we have a picture. Okay, we're going to insert shape something like this. Okay, let's Okay, now shape fill, then eyedropper. We're going to use it to take this color to make this shape more related to the picture. Okay, again, it's not good. Fill, eyedropper, maybe this. Just I want to make it more related to the picture. That easy, guys. There you go. If you want to know how to use Eyedropper tool in PowerPoint, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.